I want to share this very moment with you. This is a Thursday, the 9th day of October 2025. I'm making this video very early in the morning. Okay. Now, I woke up because I didn't sleep on time. I woke up this morning and I was thinking of something. What transpired on the Senate floor yesterday. And if you have not watched the video of what happened in the Senate floor yesterday, I posted the video before posting this one, so you can go and check it. You can see that the whole senators from the north to south, west of Nigeria, they are crying, they are lamenting because of this security situation.
This is the only thing I want to take. If I get protected in my environment, please keep your roads, keep your schools. We just want to be safe. And that is the message we are sending to the Senate President. Please save our life and our people. We are not bothered about roads now or schools. Please save our lives. Our people's lives are in danger.
One of the senators from Kwara State lamented that about 4 Obas of Yoruba land have been killed by the bandits. And so many villages have been sacked. The one of Kogi State was lamenting. Another one from that was Kebbi. He was saying that they don't need schools anymore. They don't need roads anymore. What they just need is that they want to be safe. I watch their lamentation and I shake my head. You see, there is a big problem. We have been saying this right from time. People are not taking us serious up to tomorrow. But the handwriting is on the wall. Nigeria is at war. Apart from that, Nigeria is at war. The invaders had a mission, and the mission must be fulfilled. And I was also listening to another senator from Kogi Central. He was saying that in 2015, that what happened now repeated, that they imported terrorists into the country on a Senate floor. And those people he claimed to have imported terrorists are walking free. But these are not the topics of my video, while I'm making this video. Now, I want to talk about where these bandits first invaded. Pay attention, pay close attention. After the introduction of Boko Haram in Nigeria, I'm not talking about 1999-2000, the first introduction, no. That first introduction led to the pressure of putting Sharia in Nigerian constitution. And after that, I am talking about the time of Yaradua Jonathan. It started then, Jonathan period, the heat started coming. After this Boko Haram issue, they now started this banditry issue from after the importation of this banditry, of these bandits, 2014-2015. The first place they invaded was Igbo land, the southeastern Nigeria. That is the first place these bandits invaded. It's not long that I came to social media to start talking. But I have been on ground, and I'm not a novice. I'm not a college JJC about what is happening in Nigeria. We have been on ground. We know what transpired. So these people first invaded Igbo land, and a lot of things was going on. As the time they were killing in southern Kaduna, the time they started killing massively in Benue Plateau, that any time, it was the same time they invaded Igbo land. They started killing people in the farms. They started raping people in the farm. It took the intervention of Nnamdi Kanu to push these people back and out of the forest. Yes, or the southeast. It took the intervention of Nnamdi Kanu. Now, a lot of people might not like or would not like to hear this, but you know, I'm saying this because watch out. Another one is coming. Another one is coming. Nnamdi Kanu single-handedly pushed these people back when he formed the vigilante ESN. Now, what people are talking about Nnamdi Kanu today is that Nnamdi Kanu is the one that led to the insecurity in the southeast. You know, I am spending too much energy, too much time. I am spending, unnecessary time, sometimes I may put it in that way, to explain to people the genesis of the insecurity in the southeast. And insecurity in the southeast is of 2 dimensions. One is politically sponsored insecurity, and that is what people see as insecurity caused by Biafra agitators. Every one of them carrying gun has a link to a politician. I have a verifiable proof. Every one of them carrying gun, you might call it this, call it that, they have a link to a politician who is sponsoring them. And don't have a problem with that politician because they're going to kill you and label you ipob. That is apart. Now, another insecurity in the southeast is the invaders, the bandits. I made mention of how secretly Mwifuru, the governor of Ebonyi State, was paying 1 million to the victims of the bandits' attack. No, the people are not talking about these things. Paying 1 million to the victims of the attack. We are not talking about Enugu own. It's a well-known case. Even before Peter Mba became governor, Ehamufu issues on local government area, all those attacks has been on for over a decade now. And the rest. So the insecurity in the southeast is politically sponsored and the invasion. This invasion was what led to the establishment of the vigilante group called ESNN. What you are seeing today after the detention of Nnamdi Kanu, a bunch of criminals parading to be this, to be that. Most of them are linked to politicians. I have a verifiable proof, and don't push me to set the internet on fire. So I know what I'm talking about. I have a verifiable proof, I repeat, that all these people you see are linked to politicians. Politicians use them. Imo politicians are dangerous, not only opposed them. I have a verifiable proof that these people are linked to politicians, not only opposed them. So, what a lot of folks don't see about this insecurity is alarming. There is a level to it. There are conditions to it. I'm saying this because when these militias, the bandits first invaded the southeastern part of the country, everybody, we were crying for help because we knew that it is going to, it's not only in the south, that is going to overrun the south-south. Yes, it will overrun everywhere. So people started appreciating the work Nnamdi Kanu did then. And here we are today. So many people forget so soon. They forget about the pain of people they rape. They forget about the pain of people they killed at any time. I'm talking about the bandits. But someone took the risk and stood against these people. Why is it that people are not asking questions like, upon the negotiations with bandits, upon the collusion, upon the bandits killing the Obas and so on and so forth, there is no noise about it. Imagine if Igbo man kill Oba, the hair will get loose. A senator just confirmed that Oba, 4 of them were killed by bandits. No noise. Nobody's talking about it. Their villages have been sacked. Now from Kogi, Niger, Kwara. Now, let me shock you. You see, Osun State. There is a report that the head of Amotokun was assassinated. No, there was an attempted assassination. So he survived an assassination. So he went to the hospital where he briefed people how he was attacked. I saw the car. They used bullet to scatter it. Now, this is a simple, modus operandi, the way they operate, the modes of their operation. Anytime the bandits enter into a community, they kill your vigilante. Once you hear that a vigilante head has been killed, also, you've got to run. Or you've got to prepare for war. Because this is their mode of operation everywhere. My neighboring community, even in Eka Northeast, they killed a vigilante head. That time that they were planning to scatter everywhere. So notwithstanding that they killed the vigilante head, in Eka Northeast, the vigilante there are sophisticated. They were able to push back and continue to push back the terrorists. Now, this attack on Osun State's head of Amotokun is a clear sign, a clear intelligence that bandits are about to take up Osun State. Get ready, save this video. Don't say I did not tell you, because these people have a method of the operation. Now, who is this head of Amotokun? I profile this man. I understand that this man is one of the strongest men in Osun State. He's not a man you can kill easily. You can't use gun to kill that man. I mean, you can't use gun to kill that man. So they have seen that this man is a strong man. They have seen that this man is a very terrible person, a threat to bandits. Take him up and kill him. So he was just driving home, and side by side, They trapped him and started shooting him. He survived. None of the people that entered. You know what Nigeria police report released? They said this man should come and tell us how he survived the assassination. He should come and tell them how he was able to survive the assassination. So police did not even believe that he could survive that assassination. After his car had been beyond repair, nobody could survive such assassination. And you see the hula baloo about Nnamdi Kanu, the noise, everything. That is the same position they put him. Take out this man. We can't advance to these people's land without, eliminating Nnamdi Kanu. So these bandits we are seeing, they can't overrun the southeast without eliminating Nnamdi Kanu. That is their target. That is their mission. You might not understand what I'm saying, but this is just the exact truth, a verifiable truth. And if Nnamdi Kanu tomorrow is being released, insecurity in the southeast will come to an end. Many secrets will be unfolded, and the terrorists will not have a safe haven in the southeast. But you see the way they are pushing now in Yoruba land, markets. Nigeria is just finished. Nigeria is just finished. It is left the old eastern region. By the way, Edo North is under say. You can hear someone that's saying that close to military barrack, they are now attacking close to military barrack in Edo State. So there is nobody stopping them. Old eastern region minus Edo State is only place now that I can say they need to be safe. Delta State, all these terrorists has infiltrated Delta State, but at least there is a little life in Delta State. So it is time for people to begin to understand this. If your senators could come to House of Senate and start crying that their lives is in danger, but a common man who is on the street is there ranting mouth, not understanding what is going on. Anyway, let's keep pretending that nothing is going on. Okay? But the truth is this. The war is going to reach everywhere. I mean, the war is going to reach everywhere. Nobody will be spared in this war because everything has been profiled. The whole information have been gotten. These people are being sponsored. You see, 2027 election, it is going to be blood, fire, gun, deaths. Insecurity is going to play a major role in 2027 election. Put that in your head.